Welcome to this presentation on a Monte Carlo heuristic framework for finite horizon inventory optimization under stochastic demand with deterioration. This research was conducted by Rajiv Kumar Dolai and published in 4th September 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Traditional inventory models often rely on simplified assumptions, such as constant demand, negligible deterioration, and infinite planning horizons. This study relaxes these assumptions by proposing a dynamic, finite horizon inventory model that captures the full complexity of real world demand through a composite function integrating linear, quadratic, exponential, power law, and stochastic components. This Monte Carlo based heuristic framework, implemented in MATLAB, provides a more accurate approach for cost optimization and decision making under uncertainty, particularly for products subject to deterioration and seasonal effects. The model defines demand d of t as a composite function alpha plus beta 1 times t plus beta 2 times t squared plus beta 3 times e to the power of t plus rho times t to the power of n plus epsilon of t, where epsilon of t is Gaussian white noise. Inventory dynamics include a constant deterioration rate theta, and the total cost function incorporates fixed, holding, procurement, deterioration, transportation, back ordering, and lost sales costs. Due to the complexity of non-integer n in the polynomial term and the stochastic term epsilon of t, closed form integration for inventory and cost is not tractable. Consequently, the framework relies on numerical solutions for the inventory differential equation and Monte Carlo simulation to estimate the expected total cost E of TCK, employing an adaptive cycle adjustment heuristic. Under generalized stochastic demand, the model reveals a systematic increase in both order quantity and total expected cost across the finite planning horizon. Specifically, the replenishment quantity QK rises from approximately 266 units in the first cycle to nearly 379 units by the 12th cycle, as shown in Table 3. This corresponds to an increase in the expected total cost E of TCK from about 10,497 to over 14,853, representing a 41.5% increase from the first to the last cycle. In contrast, constant demand, detailed in Table 1, shows stable QK around 262.5 units and E of TCK around 10,365, while linear demand, in Table 2, shows a more moderate increase. Sensitivity analysis detailed in tables 4 and 5 reveals that the base demand rate alpha exerts the most significant influence on replenishment cycle outcomes. A 50% increase in alpha leads to approximately a 43% increase in E of TCK in the fifth cycle, while a 50% reduction causes a similar decrease. Procurement cost CP also has a substantial impact, with a 50% increase raising total costs by 12.7%, and backorder penalty cost CB shows a 9.6% increase for a 50% rise. Conversely, parameters such as the exponential demand component beta 3 and holding cost GH exhibit negligible sensitivity, with E of TCK changes remaining below 1% even under 50% variations. This study successfully developed a Monte Carlo heuristic framework for finite horizon inventory optimization under complex stochastic demand with deterioration, demonstrating its ability to provide robust cost estimates. The reliance on numerical simulation is essential because closed form analytical solutions are not tractable for the model's complex demand function and stochastic terms. A key limitation is that the adaptive cycle adjustment is a heuristic, not a globally optimal search. Managers should prioritize accurate estimation of the base demand rate alpha and careful management of backorder cost CB and procurement cost CP, as these parameters significantly drive total costs, while parameters like the exponential demand component eta 3 and holding cost GH offer greater flexibility.